Alright guys, gonna be working on the 46 today. Gonna be pulling off the front end and trying to tighten down the radiator a little bit better in the rear, and yeah, I'll kind of just show you what I've been doing to the car, so let's get to it. Alright, we got the impact out. We're gonna remove the bolts off the front end and get back to you. Just like that. Boom, and we got two 10s up here. Boom, to make 4.
Alright, let's hit the one take.
Try and pull off the front end. Oh shit, we gotta undo these radiator clamps. Boom. Got the second one released. Should come off like a zoo. Boom. I love this car for this reason. Pretty awesome. Just like that. So the problem I was talking to you guys about is here. I just reinstalled everything. I did a AC delete actually. Boom, we got the whole air conditioning system out, including this big piece. So now we just got clean air going straight to the radiator. Just reinstalled the power steering cooler. Boom, freshened up these side pieces. And what I wanted to do is I noticed that the radiator has some play in it down here at the bottom. I'm not really sure if the bracket isn't in place all the way or what, but I'm gonna dig into that and check her out. Boom. We got the AC compressor, the AC dryer, the AC bracket, so all in all, without the smog pump and without the AC components, we should have lost about 50 to 60 pounds. I mean, these pieces are heavy, you know what I'm saying? They attach straight to the motor, and you could really see like what's going on now. Alright, so boom, I ended up finding some pieces that weren't pushed in all the way, you know, BMW stupid shit. I got it now. Let's check out what it looks like. Boom, so if you could remember, the radiator had quite a bit of play in it. Now it's solid, you know what I'm saying? Boom, can't hardly really even move it. If you're having the same problem, just go ahead, buy these power steering lines. You're gonna wanna make sure that you kind of push a clip in and set it on top. So it can't be over here, it has to be in so it sits straight and is the strongest. Boom, so you have the bushings on the bottom, the clip, and then you have these top mounts right here that you screw in. Man, we are solid. I'm gonna detail clean the radiator support because when I had the air conditioning out, the gas exploded everywhere and kind of made a mess in the engine compartment. So it's going to be a quick video today, you guys. I'll get back to you with the end result. Well, there we go. Brunch. But I'll put this down to the side for a second, make this clip quick. Boom, got the simple green out and started cleaning this side of the engine. It's looking good. Alrighty, boom. Got the 46 a little more cleaned up. Got the radiator mounted. There's no play now. Core support mounted back on. Boom. Air conditioning, smog pump delete. And I got every wire from the harness on this side of the engine unplugged. I'm going to be trying to do a wire tuck of some sort to clean up the bay for the turbo manifold. I just removed this little piece here so that hopefully we can start sticking wires from in there, and we're gonna shoot them through the hole. Boom, through here, all the way to out here, and then we'll have them enter and drop down here to have a clean look right here. Right. Shit's coming along well. Just a little status update, and like I said, I will see you in the next one. Peace. There's got the light bar, dog. Get up.
Do it.
Do it
The light
up.
bar going. And I need a new headlight for that